Hello, dear students, friends, professionals, and learners. Welcome to Billion Hopes AI. This is Mentor Sandy bringing you AI for real impact. I welcome you to the intro video of AI Turbocharger, a fantastic program, a one-day learning cohort, especially for those who want to get started in AI and build their competencies with everything that truly matters on a practical level. So once again, welcome to AI Turbocharger. Over the next few minutes, I'll give you a wonderful insight into this beautiful course we have designed for you. Step by step, I will take you to the course page and I'll encourage you to join hands with us as soon as possible because the first cohort will be conducted on 13th of June 2026. So my dear friends, here we are. As you can see, Billion Hopes AI for Real Impact has now created AI Turbocharger. Supercharge your AI skills in just one day. So this is a full day, highly immersive live learning experience designed to give you practical AI skills for the real world impact. Dear friends, I will be conducting this entire program live for you on 13th of June, which is our starting day. We'll start at 8 in the morning. Every session will be roughly 55 to 60 minutes. And over 12 very well-defined sessions, I will take you, assuming you are a beginner, you are not an AI expert at all, and you are keen on learning the tools and the tricks and the techniques and the vocabulary behind AI in one day. Whatever max we can do, and then we follow up with an year-long access for this and also your membership to our Billion Hopes AI Club. This is the AI Turbocharger concept. I hope that is clear. So 12 classes, all of them live, chat enabled, practical learning, full year recording, and the June cohort is 13th of June, Saturday. Secure your spot now. All you have to do is press this enroll button here or here and you will go to the enrollment page. Everything you need, nothing you do not. So what exactly makes AI Turbocharger an absolutely wonderful choice for you? Whether you are a student 20 years of age or a working professional 35 years of age or a young man 70 years of age or a homemaker, you definitely want to learn AI to just make sure that you can stay in this competitive race of knowledge, race of learning, race of professional competence, jobs, everything. So this course will actually give you that. Everything you need, nothing you do not. 12 power classes, 100% live learning. The way I will be teaching is basic theory and concepts. I'll tell you what are the various specific areas I will be covering in the 12 detailed lectures. I will be giving you live demonstrations of the tools, the techniques, the thinking and strategy behind using those tools, and the do's and the don'ts. In AI, it's very important to understand what AI can not do for you, no matter how hard you want the tools to do it for you. Knowing that can actually do a lot of alignment. It can help you. Live chat is enabled, a lot of practical learning. Full year, the recordings will be available to you. Certificate of completion the moment you end the course. Billion Hopes AI Club membership. This is an online AI club which will be updated with practical projects, vibe coding solutions, and much more. You will get that for 1 year along with this, and privilege offer for academy courses. If you join this, then for many other courses, we'll give you certain privilege offers. This is a one-day transformation. Now we come to the crux of it. What all will be actually covered? What all will I be teaching in those 12 sessions? So let us get into that and let us understand the exciting part of it. So my dear friends, first of all, we will take up the AI foundational knowledge. As you can see, in this AI foundational knowledge, we will go deep into the basics of AI, generative AI, GPT, Gemini, and others, and modern AI tools, and what they can and they cannot do. These are some of the specific skills I will be covering. These are terms that every learner, professional, anyone who wants to have to do something with AI must know. We are going to talk about, give a theoretical explanation, and as far as possible, a practical demonstration for Agent swarms, multi-agent systems, prompt engineering, context engineering, RAG, fine-tuning, SLMs, multimodal AI, synthetic data, hallucination, guardrails, HITL, AI copilot, workflow automation, COT prompting, zero-shot prompting, temperature, context window, AI governance, explainable AI, data privacy and leakage, prompt injection and jailbreaking, deepfakes, open source AI, closed AI model, edge AI. These are some of the hottest concepts. If you know nothing about them today, but you have the curiosity to learn, this course is where you should be. Go ahead and enroll right now. In the first class, I will take up AI foundational knowledge, 1 full hour, followed by a downloadable study material kit for you and a test which you can solve later. We'll give you a proper test also on that. You can solve that later. Super prompting skills. No matter which AI tool you use, no matter which mode you wish to use, video, audio, text, coding, research, whatever, the way you need to understand prompting in terms of modern prompting, there used to be a thing called prompt engineering that is practically gone because the models now are so good that they can actually create a prompt for you. But how do you get that best prompt from them? This is what I'll be teaching. AI for coding, this is the hottest part of it. AI for coding and AI for coding advanced, we will actually code live projects in real time and we will see how they get deployed and start working. And then you will know that you have the superpower in your hands. Of course, you will need to take subscription for some paid products later on. You may already have a subscription for Claude, for example. So you can in parallel try what I will be giving as a live demonstration. Or later on, you can decide which subscriptions you wish to take. I'll also suggest which are the top subscriptions as on date. Things are changing every 30 days. The industry is moving so fast. What was valid 30 days ago changes. Hence, remember, we will be bringing AI Turbocharger once a month. This is our June cohort on 13th, which is Saturday. In July, we'll be bringing the second cohort. Because things change very, very fast, we will update the next one with the latest. For example, now with Google Gemini, it has become very hot with agents. Suddenly, Google has been trying to, via Gemini, infuse agents through and through the ecosystem. That wasn't the case 30 days ago. So we are going to cover that. I hope you get the basic drift of what the approach here is. AI for professionals, AI agents, agentic AI systems, AI for automation and productivity, knowledge, research, and exam. So this is a very, very interesting thing. How do you really use AI for exam preparation, for creating a knowledge base, for doing your research? There are very powerful ways of using AI so that you do not have an information overload. A problem that students are facing is you tend to literally get swarmed by information the moment you ask a question. But that's a bad idea, right? So we'll see very powerful techniques of doing it. So in case you're preparing for a competitive exam and in parallel you wish to become very, very good at AI, then this is the session that will be very rewarding for you. Then AI technicals. For example, some of these words that you see here, we'll cover. AI for jobs. How do you really apply using AI? And if you're an HR manager, how do you use AI to actually sort and sift through the CVs which AI has created? Amazing things happening. And finally, AI strategy. Absolutely top level insight for professionals and entrepreneurs and anyone who is planning to be one, or if you're an MBA. So this course I have tried to create as a one-stop solution for everything that could come your way. So that should really help you. I hope you're excited. All you have to do is press this enroll now and you will be taken to the course enrollment. Remember, the course is worth a very comfortable just 7,999, including GST. This is the Indian price. If you're abroad, then it will be displayed in dollars and taxation as per whatever is your country. So it is 7,999, including GST. And as a special offer, we are offering a 10% off with a code TURBO10, TURBO10, Turbo10. This code will expire on 3rd of June evening 5 p.m. On 3rd of June evening 5 p.m., Turbo 10 code will expire. Kindly enroll by then if you wish to make use of this 10% offer on this. So the total fees is 7,999 and 10% is off on that. Is that clear? So my dear friends, AI, as you know very well, the reason this course will add a lot of value to you, AI is no longer optional. And if you really wish to get a head start and actually break that barrier surrounding you, where will I start? AI is such a vast field. You have been confused with a plethora of YouTube videos. You have done short courses, but that confidence is missing. I can guarantee this course will give you that confidence. Go ahead and enroll right away. This is built for the ambitious people who wish to learn in the most creative, positive, and the latest things available as on date. Okay, so this is a fully updated course. I will be conducting the entire course. I am Mentor Sandy. I did my BTech from IIT Delhi and I have been in education for 35 years now, since 1993. I specialize in making complex things very simple, and then I'll teach you AI in the simplest manner possible, even the most complicated of concepts. My complete qualifications are here. My qualifications pertaining to AI also. You can view them and check out. I have done more than 30 courses in AI, and I have ensured that whatever I have learned will come to you in the easiest language possible. So go ahead and enroll with full confidence. So my dear friends, full year recording access is included, and you get access to our Billion Hopes AI Club, which is an online resource with new ideas for codes, solutions, etc. Absolutely, you get that access for 1 year. So nothing can be greater value for money here. So dear friends, the future is AI and your time is now. Enroll in Turbocharger. Click on enroll now anywhere on this page. You will be taken to the enrollment cart. Go ahead and enroll. Till 3rd June evening, we have the Turbo 10 code activated, TURBO 10. 5 p.m. 3rd June, this code will be over. So please enroll before that. The sessions will be conducted on 13th of June starting 8 a.m. They'll be on the Billion Hopes Academy website. You will receive our email and communication well in advance. I welcome you to start your wonderful journey of AI. Remember, Billion Hopes AI for Real Impact is where we help regular, normal, non-technical people make AI work for them. This is Mentor Sandy, bringing you AI for Real Impact. See you in the course. Thank you.